If you are new into web development and want to learn React.js for front-end library, or whether you are a React developer, you would have initialized the project with Create React App. CRA was once the tool for creating new React projects. It provides a simple and easy to use command line interface for setting up a new React code base. The problem is that it has limited customization. Create React App provides a pre-configured setup for developing React applications, which means it offers less flexibility in terms of customizing the build configuration. Complex ejecting process. If you find yourself needing to modify the underlying configuration of Create React App, you may need to eject the project. Size impact. Create React App includes many dependencies by default, which can result in a large bundle size of your application. Learning curve. If you are new to React development, the learning process will be ups and downs for you, as you will need to grasp the basic tools like Webpack and Babel to effectively work with the Create React App setup. Limited control over dependencies. Create React App manages dependencies including React and other related libraries, which means you don't have direct control over their versions. So, what's the alternative way to create a brand new React project? Vite.js is a build tool and development server that is designed to optimize the development experience for modern web applications. It is built on top of native ES modules. It allows faster and more efficient module loading during development. This means that the development server can start up quickly and changes can be reflected instantly in the browser, and guess what, without the need of a full page reload. Some of the improvements that Vite.js brings over Create React App includes faster development server, faster build times, support for other frameworks, built-in support for TypeScript, simplified configuration. How to create the React app with Vite? Go to a terminal and type npm create vite@latest. Now it will ask to install the package. Proceed and then give the project name Vite test. After you have given a project name, it will ask to select a framework. It has many frameworks like Vanilla, Vue, React and others. In my case, I will be creating the React project, so I will select this. After selecting the framework, it asks for the variant TypeScript plus SWC, JavaScript plus SWC. In my case, I will just go with JavaScript. Here, it is done. The project has been created. We can go into the directory by cd command cd Vite test the project name. After we have entered the directory, we have to run the command npm install to install the npm packages. After the package has been successfully installed, you can start the development server by typing npm run dev. So the local development server has been started. You can just copy the URL and paste it into your browser, or just control and click. So the Vite project has been created. Now we can make some changes in the React code. Just go to src and let's just remove this code and type So I have modified the code here. So the development server has been running and you can see the changes has been reflected immediately. So you have initialized the project with Vite. You can see the Vite config file here, and if you find this video useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Until then, keep learning and keep developing.